name's Stephanos and I'm a part of the Black Curriculum Springboard Programme in Manchester. I don't feel like we should have Black History Month. I feel like it should be taught in all history lessons and just not 1 month dedicated towards us.
My name is Shulamite.
And my name is Cherry, and we've been part of the Black Curriculum Springboard Programme in Manchester.
I think that what we learned today is about the importance that Black people have in Manchester, in Britain, because it has influenced music, it has influenced slang, environment, and many other things that we don't even know.
I think it's really important to learn about Black history because it's important to know where you're coming from.
I think it's a good place that brings us together, and we can talk about every issue, and everyone is included, no matter the race as well.
Yeah, and also we can learn new things about where we come from that we didn't know before.